Hello, this is Eurodollar and Fibonacci prediction for tomorrow. This is daily view. So, Fibonacci prediction is is on 127 here and 150 here is Fibonacci prediction for sell, for sell, for sell, and here this blue line is signal for buy. So here is Fibonacci line for sell, this red line, sell, sell, and here is Fibonacci line, blue line for buy. This is euro dollar. Next, DAX. DAX Fibonacci line for sell is red line 127. Here is sell, and here on blue line is signal for buy. Here is signal for sell, here is signal for buy.